Hello guys. Good morning, good morning. It's the first job of 2026. This is my first job, guys. And guess what? This is already in my home country. This is not Saudi anymore. Structural job, guys, right here in my city. First job of 2026. This is January 22nd. And my crane is all new, sunny. 0 kilometer. This is my new crane, guys. Done the first job, first beam. Transferring of beam. We are going to transfer materials from my back. Second beam. Transferring of materials. The first job of 2026 in Cagayan de Oro City. Wednesday. First job of 2026. Structural building job.